Are you looking for a way to change your username on Facebook? In this video, I will show you the simple step-by-step process for doing so. I'll guide you through the whole process from start to finish, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, you'll see the Account Center at the very top. Simply tap where it says, See More in Account Center. And then tap, Profiles. As you can see, I have my Facebook account and Instagram account added to the Account Center. Just tap and select the Facebook account. And now you can do a bunch of stuff, like change your name, username, profile picture, and avatar. Just tap on username. So now you have the ability to change your Facebook username. So go ahead and tap this, get rid of the current username, and enter in your new username. And it will check whether or not that username is available for you to use. If it isn't available for you, then you have to enter a new username or make the username unique by adding numbers, random letters, and whatnot. Once you've done that, tap Done at the bottom center of the screen to save changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.